back with Hank. So the second thing we want to work on is the off-leash recall. And the subtask of that being turn and move in my direction. And I'm only going to call him when his back is turned, because Lynn said he has a little bit of habit of maybe charging at people and stuff. So, Hank! Good boy, good boy, good boy. Hank! Good boy, good boy. So what I did was I held that pager down. I waited till he had his back turned, though. Good boy. Doesn't seem to like the treats. He might just be a little bit nervous. All right, so same thing. I'm only going to do it when his back is turned, because there's no practical application for a dog to sit and then walk 5 feet away and call it. So we're looking for a certain angle of the body away so that we can install a turn and have it move back in our direction. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Good boy. It was very subtle, but you can sort of rode that pager around that turn right there. Biding my time. I'm looking for that certain angle of the body away. Hank! Good boy. Good boy. And I'm increasing my distance. I'm moving away from him. Oh, and you too. And Lynn, Misty already went in the water. I'm sure you can see that. And if you want to leave them, we could do more videos with the sound box. But you can see, I got my Nick set on 0. But what happened when he felt the pager? His ears kind of went back a little bit. Hey! Good boy. Good boy. Nice. Learning fast. More updates soon.